Hello everyone, it's Captain Brain here today and I have got Pirate Grandma here to help us with our warm-up song. And as you might have guessed, it's a pirate song and there's going to be lots of actions to help us get warmed up for our phonics session today, and Grandma's going to join in with us, aren't you Grandma? She's excited again. Are we ready? So this song is called Over the Deep Blue Sea. 'Twas a sunny day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard the pirate ship and the captain said to me, we're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. 'Twas a windy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard the pirate ship and the captain said to me, we're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. 'Twas a rainy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard the pirate ship and the captain said to me, we're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. 'Twas a snowy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard the pirate ship and the captain said to me, we're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. 'Twas a stormy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard the pirate ship and the captain said to me, we're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. That way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. This way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. Are you all right, Grandma? Are you tired? She's a bit tired. It's all right, that was good exercise for you. Brilliant, fantastic. Right, now then, we're going to recap our sounds first of all today. So, are you ready for it?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Grandma, what are you doing? Don't interrupt. But... Where have you got that from? No. That's not being on here, thank you. Right, now listen, do not interrupt, please, okay? Right. Are we ready for our sounds, girls and boys? Ready?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Will you stop interrupting, please? Right, you've got one last chance. One more time and you have to leave, okay? Right, are we ready? Ready for our sounds?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Right, that's it. Grandma, come on. We need to get on with this now. Come on, off you go. Off you go. Don't touch the machine. Do not touch that machine. Okay, don't touch the machine. Just go. No, don't touch the machine. It'll break again. You did it last time. Do not touch the machine. Sorry about that, everyone. I don't know. You didn't touch the machine. Oh, something's come out, Grandma. What have you done? I know why you were doing the aye, Captain. Look what sounds come out the machine. Aye. Can you say aye? Aye. Grandma, that was actually quite helpful, thank you. Right, we're going to do some activities linked to aye now. Brilliant. Right, everyone, I've sent Grandma for a little sleep because she was so tired after all those actions, so she's going to have a rest while we practice our sounds. Now, I thought we could just practice our digraphs this week. So a digraph, remember, is a sound that is made up of two letters. It's a two-letter sound, okay? So let's practice those to start with. K. Sh. Ch. Th or th. Ng. E. A. A. Oi. Ow. Ah. O. O. Now then, today's sound that we're focusing on isn't a digraph, it's called a trigraph. And it's called a trigraph because it's made up of 3 letters. We've got our I, our G, and our H. And when they're squeezed together, they make the I sound. I, just like that, just like we've been practicing. So let's take that off there and let's program our machine to see if it can come up with some I words for us to read. Okay, let's have a look. Come on, machine, please work. Beep, beep. Oh, good. Right, see if we can trap the I sound, put our sound buttons on and read the word, shall we? Let's pop it on there. Let's put our sound buttons on. So we've got I, high, when something is high. Super, let's have another look. Beep. What does this one say? Find that I sound and trap it. And let's read our word. So we've got a ooh. There's the I and a T. Ooh-ite, ooh-ite, light. Super, light. Try again. Beep. What does this I word say? Let's find out. Sight. We have good sight. Okay, well done. Beep. What does this word say? Let's find those sounds and trap them. Oh, we've got a digraph at the beginning of this word. I, thigh. This is your thigh, isn't it? Let's try one more. Beep. What's this one? Night. Right, okay, so we've got our 5 I words. Now I'm going to program the machine, see if I can get some pictures out, and let's see if you can match the pictures to the right word. Okay, so you might need something to write with now. I'll show you the picture, and you see if you can write down whichever word matches the picture. Are we ready? Beep. Right, what's this a picture of? I can see some eyes, and there's arrows pointing out of the eyes. Which one of these words do you think that matches? I, high, light, sight. Oh, I think it's that one, sight. There we go. Put that one there. Sight, like our eyesight. Okay, super, let's try again. Oh, what's that a picture of? The arrow's pointing to this bit of the leg here. Can we remember which word that matches? High, light, sight, thigh. Thigh, of course, it's your thigh, isn't it? Let's stick that one on there. Thigh. Try again. Now this little person up here is very high. That's right, that matches that one, doesn't it? Very high. What's that showing? Let's have a look. What have we got left? We've got light, or night. It's light, isn't it? Let's stick that one there. It's a light. Last one. I think we know which one it's going to be, don't we? What's that a picture of? Night. Night. Super. Good matching, everybody, and really good reading. Hi, light, light, sight, thigh, and night. Now I'm going to take all of these off, and I am going to write a sentence with one of my I words in, and I want you to do the same thing too. Okay, now I've chosen the word night to do my sentence. So let me see, my sentence needs to start with a capital letter, doesn't it? I need to remember that. Are we ready? I'm going to think of my sentence first. It was a dark night. 5 words. It was a dark night. Right, it. So it starts with my capital I. It. Finger space. Was. Well, that's one of our tricky words. We know how to spell this tricky word, don't we? It's got an at in the middle. Was. It was, but we know it's was. It was a... Can't fit the next word there, so I go to the next line. It was a dark... Ooh. Ah. I'm sure I remember doing that sound before. Ah. Dark. Wonder what it looks like. Let's try. R. Dark night. And we've got to put our I sound in, our trigraph I. Night. Full stop. Let's check our sentence. It was a dark night. Can you see our trigraph I in there? Night. And we've also got one of our digraphs, in there as well. Why don't you have a go at writing a sentence with some of our digraphs and trigraphs in? Now then, I think we'll go and see what Grandma's up to, shall we? Okay, I found Grandma. Shh. Bless her. She's sound asleep. We tired her out. Oh. Okay, we'll leave her to it. I'll see you next time.